Good morning, traders. So excited you're in here today. Sorry I didn't come out with the video yesterday. There was some stuff going on, but you know my game plan here from the live stream we did this morning. What I was talking about was I'm watching PXS out of the gate. There's not a whole lot going on else in the pre-market. You got to keep these stocks that made pretty big moves on your watch list. You know, the day before this one made a nice move, had a good volume. Even stocks that are making moves, you know, in the week beforehand. Just keep these stocks on your watch list because at any time they can get volume. And the reason I'm gravitating towards this stock today is because there's not a lot else on the watch list. I mean, we have LMFA. This one has pre-market activity, but if you look at the daily chart, this one never has a green day, and if it does, it gets sold off entirely. So I know this one's probably going to sell off. Might get a little pop out of the gate, but nothing really. Then AMRN is the other stock that's the most active. This one's trying to bounce off its 50-day moving average, but this one has a lot of the attention as well. But PXS, this one I do imagine some volume can come in around this 270 area. So I'm watching PXS to see if it's going to get the volume, and it's not getting it. AMRN, this one is trying to get some activity straight out of the gate. This one's looking good. See, LMFA, this one did get the pop at the start, but it's not going to be long-lived, guys. This one is definitely going to be selling off. Shorts are loving this right now, too, because for shorts, you know, they want this as high as it can go. I mean, they're shorting every single pop. 244 is most likely going to be the high of the day on this one. PXS I'm watching because let's look at yesterday. Yesterday around the start of the day it was at 222. It sold off all the way to 203 before it ended up U-shaping and going up, you know, and breaking out. Alright, we're approaching near support on PXS. You see these areas right here? 1, 2, hit it in pre-market. Probably going to be going for this one, guys. Probably going to be going for this one. Going to hit it right now. At 263. Looks like we're back above VWAP. We bounced off support. We're getting some good buyers coming in. If you look at the times and sales, you know, we're getting more green ticks on that. I think we're going to start moving up here shortly. And we did bounce off good support. If you see back here once, twice, you know, 3 times, we're coming right up near it. See if we're going to get the volume push past 267, 268. If you look at the tape, a lot of green prints are coming through. The bid has moved up to 266. Looks like it's about to get it. I'm going to add right here. Okay, I added on my winner. A little light right here, so I'm going to scale out a little bit. I sold the shares I just bought. Of course, now we're going to start moving a little bit. Still have 800 shares. And pretty much my stop is break even with these shares. Might be selling here soon if we don't get the volume. Don't like it sitting stagnant. With an upper shadow too, I'm out. I just took it, guys. A small trade. Didn't trade it the best, but I don't like the upper shadow there. I don't like that it's been struggling around that area, sitting stagnant. You know, both times I sold my position, it started moving on up. But, you know, I didn't trade it the best. Made a little profit though. Green is green, especially on days like today. So what I want you to learn from this video is just keep these stocks on your watch list that have made big moves, you know, in the past. Also support levels. You know, 254 was really good support around here. Know your support. Know your past chart history, especially on LMFA because this one hit 244. It's all the way under $2 now. You know, that was a given. But know your past chart history. Know your support and resistance areas, and wait for volume confirmation if you need to. You know, I sold way too early. I got chickened out on both of my trades on this. My initial entry was around 263. You know, now volume's starting to come in. It started double topping right here, and that's when I got scared out with this upper shadow. But, you know, just trust your plan, trust your gut. Don't get scared out like I do. But I hope you guys learned something. If you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow.